Got it like this. Benz. Know what's going on, man. Getting it done. Touching the pull on it, junk. You know what I'm saying? It's the old junk. Got a new junk down there, shining good. Gonna put this belt on. That's all great. S550. Back on the road. Old park. Trying ready. Ready to roll. Tech weight jack. In the game, code 30. Let's see what's going on, man. Got the GMC. Gonna put the stern collar in it. Oh, tried to steal this junk. The little young nigga tried to steal this junk. Put this stern collar in so I can crank this junk today. You did. Junk out of there. Finna go get the new one, put that junk in. You know what I'm saying? Get it done out here. That way. Crank that junk up. I love cranking these trucks. Got both of my stern collar. The Y100 different, so I gotta break it down to change the Y100 to make it work to the vehicle. That way, I need this Y100. I'll take this one off this stern collar. And do that right quick. Yes, sir. Got this goddamn stern collar back in this junk, rebuilt. Had to rebuild the whole thing because the Y100s. But in the meantime, put these screws back in that junk. That's all over it.